Hello, students. Welcome to your EVS class. Students, we are in chapter 2 inside your body. And till now, we have seen about few internal organs like the blood, veins, arteries, then the things which are present inside your body, the terms we have used: heart, lungs, stomach, large intestine, small intestine, brain, liver. Okay, today we are going to do a detailed study. Okay, so let's come back to the chapter and start the work of today. Today, the internal organs which you are going to see helps you to digest the food. हम लोग जो खाना खाते हैं वो खाने को ये ऑर्गन्स पचाने में हेल्प करता है. ऑल राइट, सो वी आर गोइंग टू सी दीज ऑर्गन्स. Now we had seen that the food which we are eating is very necessary for the body because it is helping you in many ways. It is giving you energy to do work, it is protecting you from illness, it is helping you to grow. So food is very important. So how the food is passed all over the body, what are the organs which are involved in this process, we are going to see these internal organs. Now, food, from where we eat, the first thing is we take the food inside the mouth. Yes, first the food we take inside the mouth. Inside the mouth what happens, we start chewing the food. जब हम लोग खाना मुंह में लेते हैं उसके बाद क्या चबाना शुरू करते हैं. The food then mixes with the saliva, a watery thing which is inside your mouth. The food mixes with that and forms a paste. Then this paste moves along the food pipe and reaches the stomach. ठीक है, ये फूड जो हम चबाते हैं मुंह में ये पेस्ट की तरह बन जाता है. एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ द टंग द फूड थ्रू द फूड पाइप is pushed to the stomach. In the stomach what happens? The stomach, it works like a mixie, and see the shape of the stomach is like a J. Yes, it is like J. Okay, द फूड हियर मिक्सेस. जैसे मिक्सी में मम्मी मसाला पीसती है तो क्या होता है, सारा मसाला एक साथ मिक्स हो जाता है. वैसे ही स्टमक में, पेट में जो खाना है वो मिक्स होना शुरू हो जाता है. किसके साथ मिक्स होता है, लेट अस सी. In the stomach there are juices, watery type of things which mixes with the food and turns into a liquid form. ठीक है, पेट में क्या होता है, स्टमक में क्या होता है, खाना जो यहाँ पे पहुँचा है वो जूसेस के साथ मिक्स होता है एंड वो खाना फिर लिक्विड फॉर्म में चेंज होता रहता है. एंड दिस स्टेप इज़ वेरी नेसेसरी बिकॉज आवर बॉडी कैन ऑब्जर्व द फूड इन द लिक्विड फॉर्म. हम लोग जो रोटी खा रहे हैं वो रोटी हमारे बॉडी ऑब्जर्व नहीं कर सकता. उस रोटी को छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में चेंज करना है और लिक्विड फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है, तभी वो बॉडी को फ़ायदा होगा. ठीक है, सो this process is very important and this is only called digestion, the process of changing food into a form which is observed by the body. Means the food which we are eating, it has to be observed by the body. शरीर वो अपने आप में ऑब्जर्व करना, तभी हमको एनर्जी मिलेगा काम करने के लिए. सो दिस इज डाइजेशन. Then from the stomach the food will reach the small intestine. From stomach the food will reach the small intestine here. Now see what happens in the small intestine. The process of digestion is slightly complete in the stomach and this digested food is passed to the small intestine. Small intestine is what? It is like a coiled structure. ठीक है, tube which is coiled. देखो यहाँ पे, see here, यहाँ पे the small intestine has tubes which is coiled, ऐसे मुड़ा हुआ है. ठीक है, now see, now the juices in the small intestine will finish the leftover job of the stomach. Whatever food is left undigested, जो food हमारा stomach में नहीं digest हो सका है, the leftover digestion takes place in the small intestine. And most of the digestion is complete in the small intestine. From here the blood will pick up the food and carry it to the rest of the body. ठीक है, process of digestion, जो भी खाना हम लोग खा रहे हैं वो डाइजेशन का प्रोसेस कहाँ कंप्लीट हो जा रहा है, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में. ठीक है, छोटी आंत. और यहाँ से ब्लड उस खाने को पिकअप कर रहा है और पूरे बॉडी में सर्कुलेट कर रहा है। यही से हमें एनर्जी मिल रहा है काम करने के लिए। ऑलराइट, then the food passes to the large intestine. Whatever food is left, it passes to the large intestine, and the undigested food comes out from the body through the anus. Now, one important organ which is present in the uh, process of digestion is the liver. You're seeing here, this is the liver. It is a very important organ of the body, and it is one of the biggest organ. The largest organ in the body is liver. And what is the function of this liver? It also helps to digest the food. Okay, ऑयली थिंग जो भी हम खा रहे हैं, लिवर हेल्प करता है डाइजेशन में. एंड liver also helps to pass the juice into the small intestine through a tube. It also passes juices which is helping in the process of digestion. All right, and ये कैसे small intestine में पहुंच रहा है? Through a small tube. You see here the liver. Here there is a tube which you are not able to see, and ये tube से juices small intestine में पहुंच रहा है. Okay, now see the large intestine, as I had said, that the food which is needed by the body goes into the blood. Okay, and whatever food is not needed will be passed into the large intestine, and large intestine, it collects the waste material from the body and passes out of the body through the anus. So the stomach, the large intestine, the small intestine, liver are the main organs that digest the food we eat. It is written here properly. The stomach, small, large intestine, liver are the organs that help to digest the food. So this constitute the digestive system. Okay, so this is about the internal organs which are included in the process of digestion. Hope you have understood, students. Thank you.